What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike. This is the Ultimate Tech Hub. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. So on today's episode, we're going to install RGB lighting inside of our network panel. If you follow our channel, you know we love RGB lighting. We have it behind our TV, under our desk, behind our desk. So today, we're going to install this in our panel to make it beautiful, flashy, and just cool. Because when it comes to RGB lighting, more RGB is more better. So guys, today we're going to unbox this, set it up, test it, and see how it looks. And guys, don't forget, hit subscribe. It's free. All right, guys, these lights are from a company called Govee, and they're really good. I've used these for a few different projects. I'll have a video link right here to the project where I put these lights behind a TV, a 4K TV, and underneath an 8-foot floating desk, custom desk I built. It's a really cool video, so make sure to watch that. All right, so here's the lights. It's 10 feet, which is great because I measured around my network panel, and it's exactly 10 feet, so this will be perfect. And let's see here. Here's the controller, and plug in controller here. So at the box here, let's see what this is. Yeah, right here. And I've got a spot right here with a surge protector I can plug this into, and it's a USB. Also, I don't know if I need to use this or not because I do have a USB on my UPS backup power supply, so I could just use that maybe. I might try that first just to make it easy. But yeah, and if you notice, all this has 3M tape on the back for sticking, and even the lights here have all 3M tape on the back. And this is really good tape. It sticks very well. I've used this before. It's really good quality. And for the price, I think I paid $19 for this, or maybe less. And I ordered on Amazon and got it in one day. So Govee's a good product. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and undo this. It's a cool little spool here. And you can see back here, it's a 3M tape it has. So, you know, like I said, we're gonna have to place this somewhere on the side. I may put it up top and then run the cable down over here. All right, here we go, pull the 3M off. So what we're gonna do is, all right, so around the home stretch. There we go, voila. Plugs in here. And here it snap in, so it's good. Snaps right in. This plug-in is gonna plug into the USB on here. See if it works. Voila. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right, so once again, this has 3M tape on the back. I love it. Really good tape. If for some reason this does not stick very well, Gorilla brand double-sided sticky tape that works really well. But so far, I've used this before and this works well. It's a good product, 3M. I recommend it. And this way, put it right there. There we go. Turn it off and on, easy. I'll get these wires all situated to make it look all pretty. But we're done. We are done. Then I'm gonna install this on the app on my phone right here. There's an app, let me show you. It's the Govee app. So I can go back here and I can add, I already have one for my TV in the living room, and under our shelf, our custom 8-foot shelf that I built. Make sure to watch that video, really good video. So I'm gonna add this, and then I can just go ahead and set schedules for this, scenes, different colors. It's gonna be really cool. All right, let's do it. All right, at this point, it's just time to clean everything up a little bit. Use some twisty ties, get all the cables organized. And once again, guys, make sure to watch that custom floating desk video. We install some really cool RGB lights, as well as build a custom 8-foot floating desk, mounting a 4K TV with all wires hidden. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give a thumbs up and share it. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do. It's free. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video real soon. Peace.